Seniors can't sleep at night. Drink this for deep sleep and muscle growth. A quiet night turns into a long struggle. The body feels tired, but the mind refuses to rest. For many over 50, sleep becomes lighter, shorter, and more frustrating. Muscles feel weaker, recovery slows, and mornings bring more stiffness than energy. But what if one simple nightly drink could gently guide the body into deep sleep, while also helping muscles repair and grow stronger? This isn't about pills or complicated routines. It's about natural, soothing nourishment your body understands. Tonight could feel different. Tonight, sleep could finally feel deep, healing, and truly restful again. If better sleep and stronger muscles matter, this is the kind of simple habit worth knowing. Subscribe to the channel for more gentle, science-backed tips designed especially for people over 50. Like this video, and share in the comments what usually keeps you awake at night. Warm milk with turmeric is a simple nighttime drink that helps the body relax and supports deeper sleep in people over 50. It contains tryptophan, a natural amino acid in milk that helps the body produce serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep cycles. Some doctors explain that when these hormones rise naturally at night, falling asleep becomes easier and sleep stays more stable. Turmeric adds curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Research suggests that reducing inflammation can ease joint discomfort and muscle soreness, which often disturbs sleep in older adults. When the body is less inflamed at night, it can enter deeper sleep stages where tissue repair and muscle recovery take place more effectively. The warmth of the milk also plays an important role. Warm drinks can calm the nervous system and create a sense of comfort before bed. Sleep specialists often note that repeating a soothing habit at night signals the brain that it is time to rest, helping the body unwind naturally. Milk also provides a small amount of protein that supports overnight muscle maintenance. As muscle loss becomes more common with age, giving the body gentle nourishment before sleep may help preserve strength over time. For best results, many experts suggest drinking warm milk with turmeric about 30 minutes before bedtime. This allows the body to absorb its calming and restorative properties. Some doctors also note that turmeric may support immune balance, which can improve sleep quality by reducing nighttime discomfort. Keeping the drink simple and low in sugar is important, as excess sugar can interfere with restful sleep patterns. Regular use may gradually improve overall sleep and recovery in aging bodies. Over time, consistent use may help the body develop a more predictable sleep rhythm, allowing muscles to recover more efficiently each night. This gentle routine supports both relaxation and physical strength without adding strain to the body over time. For stable, Chamomile tea is a gentle herbal drink that helps calm the mind and supports deeper, more restful sleep in people over 50. It contains a natural compound called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in the brain and promotes relaxation. Some doctors explain that this calming effect can reduce mild anxiety and quiet the nervous system, making it easier to fall asleep without restlessness. Research suggests that chamomile may improve overall sleep quality by helping the body spend more time in deeper sleep stages. These stages are especially important for muscle repair and physical recovery. During deep sleep, the body releases growth-related hormones that help maintain muscle strength, which becomes increasingly important with age. Without enough deep sleep, recovery slows and the body may feel more fatigued the next day. Chamomile tea is also caffeine-free, which makes it suitable for evening use without interfering with natural sleep signals. Many sleep specialists recommend avoiding stimulants later in the day, and this herbal tea offers a soothing alternative that supports the body's natural rhythm. Its mild, warm nature can create a comforting bedtime routine that gently signals the brain it is time to rest. Some doctors note that chamomile may also support digestion and reduce minor discomfort, which can otherwise disturb sleep during the night. When the body feels settled and relaxed, uninterrupted sleep becomes more likely. For best results, chamomile tea is often recommended about 30 to 40 minutes before bedtime, allowing its calming properties to take effect. Regular use may gradually improve sleep patterns, helping older adults wake up feeling more refreshed and physically supported. Consistency plays an important role, as the body responds well to repeated calming habits. Over time, this simple drink can support both mental relaxation and physical recovery, helping maintain strength and comfort with age naturally. Tart cherry juice is a natural drink that supports better sleep by helping regulate the body's internal clock. It contains melatonin, a hormone that signals the body when it is time to rest. Some doctors explain that as people age, natural melatonin levels may decline, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep through the night. Drinking tart cherry juice in the evening can gently support this process and improve overall sleep quality. Research suggests that tart cherry juice may increase total sleep time and help the body enter deeper sleep stages. These deeper stages are essential for muscle repair and recovery, especially in older adults. During this time, the body works to rebuild tissues and restore strength, which can reduce feelings of fatigue and stiffness the next day. In addition to melatonin, tart cherry juice is rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds help reduce inflammation and may ease muscle soreness that can interfere with restful sleep. Some studies have shown that individuals who consume tart cherry juice regularly experience less muscle discomfort, which allows the body to relax more fully at night. The natural sugars in tart cherry juice are balanced with its beneficial compounds, providing gentle support without causing sharp spikes in energy when consumed in moderate amounts. Many sleep specialists recommend keeping evening drinks simple and natural, and this option fits well into a calming nighttime routine for best results. It is often suggested to drink a small glass of tart cherry juice about 1 hour before bedtime. This timing allows the body to absorb its sleep-supporting nutrients and begin preparing for rest. Some doctors also note that consistent use over several weeks may lead to more noticeable improvements in sleep patterns. As the body adapts, sleep may become deeper and more restorative, supporting both muscle health and overall well-being in later years naturally. Banana smoothie with almond milk is a nourishing evening drink that helps relax the body and supports deeper sleep in people over 50. Bananas are naturally rich in magnesium and potassium, two minerals that play an important role in calming muscles and nerves. Some doctors explain that these nutrients help reduce muscle tension and prevent nighttime cramps, allowing the body to settle into a more comfortable and restful state. Magnesium also supports the regulation of neurotransmitters that are involved in sleep. Research suggests that adequate magnesium levels can improve sleep quality by helping the brain transition into deeper sleep stages. These stages are essential for physical recovery, as the body performs most of its repair work during this time. For older adults, this process becomes even more important in maintaining muscle strength and reducing daily fatigue. Almond milk adds another layer of support, as it contains small amounts of magnesium and is naturally light on digestion. Many sleep specialists note that heavy or difficult to digest foods before bed can disturb sleep, while lighter options allow the body to rest more peacefully. The smooth texture of this drink makes it gentle on the stomach, reducing the chance of discomfort during the night. Bananas also provide a small amount of natural carbohydrates, which may help the body produce serotonin. This hormone supports relaxation and helps regulate sleep patterns. When combined with the calming minerals, this creates a balanced effect that encourages both mental and physical relaxation. For best results, it is often recommended to drink this smoothie about 40 minutes before bedtime. This allows the nutrients to begin working as the body prepares for sleep. Some doctors also note that regular intake of magnesium-rich foods may help reduce sleep disturbances over time. As the body becomes more balanced, sleep can feel deeper and more restorative, supporting muscle recovery and overall strength in later years naturally and gently. Warm honey water is a simple nighttime drink that helps support stable sleep by gently maintaining blood sugar levels during the night. Honey contains natural sugars that are released slowly into the bloodstream, providing a steady source of energy for the brain. Some doctors explain that when blood sugar drops to low sleep, the body may release stress hormones like cortisol, which can cause sudden wake-ups and restlessness. By providing a small, steady source of glucose, warm honey water may help prevent these nighttime disruptions. Research suggests that stable blood sugar levels are linked to more continuous and restful sleep, especially in older adults who may experience greater fluctuations during the night. When the body remains balanced, it is less likely to trigger alert signals. The warmth of the water also plays an important role in calming the nervous system. Warm fluids can help relax the body and create a soothing pre-sleep routine that signals the brain it is time to unwind. Sleep specialists often recommend gentle, consistent habits before bed, and this drink can become part of that calming pattern. Honey also supports the production of glycogen in the liver, which helps fuel the brain during sleep. When this process is supported, the body can remain in a restful state for longer periods without interruption. This allows deeper sleep stages to continue, which are essential for overall recovery and well-being. For best results, many experts suggest taking warm honey water about 30 minutes before bedtime. This gives the body time to absorb its calming and stabilizing effects. Some doctors note that keeping the amount of honey moderate is important, as excessive sweetness may have the opposite effect. When used properly, this gentle drink can support uninterrupted sleep and help the body feel more rested by morning. Ashwagandha milk is a calming herbal drink that supports deeper sleep by helping the body manage stress more effectively. Ashwagandha is considered an adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps the body respond to physical and emotional stress in a more balanced way. Some doctors explain that elevated cortisol levels, especially in the evening, can interfere with the ability to fall asleep and remain in deep sleep stages. By helping regulate cortisol, this drink may allow the body to relax more naturally at night. Research suggests that ashwagandha may improve sleep quality by reducing restlessness and promoting a sense of calm. When the nervous system is less active, the body can transition more easily into deeper sleep cycles. These deeper stages are essential for physical recovery, as they are the time when the body repairs tissues and supports muscle maintenance. For older adults, this process becomes increasingly important in preserving strength and reducing fatigue. Milk in this combination provides additional support through its natural protein content. Protein consumed before sleep may assist with overnight muscle repair, helping to slow down age-related muscle loss. When combined with the stress-reducing properties of ashwagandha, this drink offers both mental relaxation and physical support. The warmth of the milk further enhances its calming effect. Warm beverages are often associated with comfort and can help signal the body that it is time to rest. Sleep specialists frequently note that simple, repeated nighttime habits can improve sleep patterns over time. For best results, many experts suggest consuming ashwagandha milk about 30 to 40 minutes before bedtime. This allows the body to absorb its calming compounds and begin winding down. Some doctors also note that regular use over time may lead to improved stress response and better overall sleep consistency. As the body adapts, sleep may feel more restorative, supporting muscle recovery and helping maintain strength in later years naturally and gently without causing dependency or unwanted side effects in most individuals when used properly. Thank you for spending these few minutes here. Growing older does not mean giving up strength or comfort. With the right foods and small daily choices, the body can continue to support you well. This channel is here to share simple, research-based guidance that helps people over 50 stay steady, active, and confident. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and join us again for the next video.